Break them. I don't give a fuck. I'll still keep going.
What the hell? You guys are laying on anything and everything.
Hey! I like this position.
Don't put that through the windows.
Don't kill me in the process. Excuse me.
You'll break it.
Sarah's walking through.
Let go.
Nope.
Let go.
Nope. Go ahead. Come on. You gotta do something better. There's only one pressure point that gets to me.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
My dick in your ass?
I'll put mine in your fucking mouth and choke you to death.
This is so not going on YouTube.
Yes, it is.
Okie dokie.
You good?
It worked.
This got to dry out. For the second time in 2 days.
Are you guys all done?